Let's walk through the steps of changing your baby's nappy. Before you begin, make sure the room is warm and you have everything you need close by. A safe space, a clean nappy, cotton wool and water, a clean nappy bag for disposal. Start by laying your baby on their back on a changing mat on a safe surface. Make sure your baby's head is supported and that you have a firm grip on them at all times. Now, undo the nappy tabs and gently lift your baby's legs by holding their ankles. Slide the dirty nappy out from under them. Using damp cotton wool, gently wipe your baby's bottom from front to back. Be sure to clean all the nappy area, including the creases in the thighs. Once your baby is clean, slide a fresh nappy under them, ensuring the back of the nappy is at the right level around their waist. Bring the front of the nappy up between your baby's legs and fasten the tab securely. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. You should be able to slide a finger between the nappy and your baby's tummy. Dispose of the dirty nappy properly, wash your hands and give your baby a cuddle. And that's it, a quick and easy nappy change.